In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your name in Hostinger. If you need to update the name listed on your account, the process is very simple and only takes a moment once you know where to look. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through each part clearly so you can follow along without any confusion. To begin, make sure you're already logged into your Hostinger account and looking at your dashboard. Once you're in, move your attention to the top right corner of the screen. This is where you'll usually find your profile settings and account options. Click on your profile to open the account menu. After the menu appears, look for the option called Account Info and click on it. This section contains the personal details associated with your Hostinger account. It's where you can review and update important information related to your profile. Once you're inside the Account Info area, find the section labeled Personal Information. Under that section, you should see the Name field. Click on Name to open the editing option. This is the part where you can make the change. Now go ahead and enter your updated name carefully. It's a good idea to double-check the spelling before moving forward, especially if you want your account details to stay accurate and consistent. If this account is connected to billing or official account records, keeping your name correct can help avoid issues later. After you've updated the name, click Continue to save the change and move forward. Once that's done, your new name should be applied to the account. If you don't immediately see the update, give the page a quick refresh or revisit the Account Info section to confirm the change was saved successfully. Also, make sure you're editing the correct account if you manage more than one. That's all it takes to change your name in Hostinger. As you can see, the process is straightforward. Open your profile from the top right, go to Account Info, find Personal Information, select the Name field, update it, and click Continue. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you update your Hostinger account details quickly and easily.